I think it just needs that initial boot, and then if we're putting load through that coil pack and it starts giving up, I think the coil pack's on its last legs, and we've really got to find where we can get a coil pack which will actually work. Let's test drive this, we'll button it up and we'll see how it goes. Off we go. We had no engine light.
No way, it was just that it wasn't pushed in properly.
It was working. I think it's it. I think it's done it.
No engine light.
I think it's done it.
As if that was the thing that stopped it.
Literally just must have just not been all the way pushed all the way down. Yeah, it's driving. It's driving.